Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I feel super expired. Oh my god. Today I feel super inspired. I went on Instagram and then I came across this makeup artist. So her name is Rebecca Eller. Yeah, I think that's how you spell her last name. So this is her Instagram. I hope you guys could see it. So I came across her Instagram and I looked at her highlights right here on top. So I went and scrolled down to the tutorial which says how to 14, and so I got super inspired and I decided to recreate that look, and this is how I did it. So I sat down and I did this makeup look today, so I hope you guys also get inspired and also recreate it like I did. So I hope you guys are excited for this tutorial. And before we get started, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down there, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay you guys, so I went ahead and already did this side of the face, so I'm going to do exactly the same step on this side. So make sure that your lid is ready to go. So I just applied some concealer, and so now we're gonna go ahead and apply our eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this brush, which is the Morphe M456, and with this brush I'm gonna go ahead and grab Sick from the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm just gonna start right here on my outer corner. And then once you have that, I'm gonna go with the brush JS9 or any fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab Channel from the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, and I'm just going to go over here and blend out the orange shade. And then we're gonna go ahead and add purple with a small eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna grab Blood Queen from the Bloodlust palette, and I'm just going to apply it right here. And then going with the fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that shade out. And then right here on the edge as well. And then going with like a shimmer pink shade, I'm going to grab Wet Jewel from the Bloodlust palette, and I'm just going to apply it right here on my outer corner, and then I'm going to start like blending out the purple and the orange. And then to darken this purple shade, I'm gonna go with Dungeon and just start applying it right here. And then you want to go with the Wet Jewel again and just blend out the shade. And then you're gonna grab your fluffy brush and you want to blend out this part as well. And then going with the inner corner right here, I'm gonna grab Self-Made from the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette. And I'm just gonna start applying it right here. And then going with the orange shade Suck from the Jailbreaker palette, I'm going to start blending out the pink. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal concealer, and this is the shade Vanilla. So this is something that I always do. I applied some right here on my hand, and then I grab my concealer brush, and I just basically start applying it on my brush, and then I go ahead and cut my crease. And then on this edge, I'm gonna go with the purple shade Blood Queen, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the edge. So yes, like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add like a shimmer shade on my lid. So using the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna grab Millions, and I'm gonna apply it right here. I like to go with my hand first, so let me apply it with my hand. And by the way, I'm using like a flat brush. This is the M224. So now I'm gonna go with my outer corner and blend out my outer corner. And then over here, I'm going to add like that orange shade. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply concealer right here in our under eyes, and you want to apply a small amount. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. And then I'm gonna grab my sponge. And so now I'm gonna grab the purple shade Blood Queen, and I'm going to apply it right here. I'm using the orange shade that we apply in our corner, in our outer corner. And then we're gonna apply the purple shade again. So now you're gonna go ahead and apply a black eyeliner on your waterline. And then I'm gonna grab the dark purple from the Bloodlust palette, which is the shade Dungeon. And I'm just gonna apply it right here. And also I'm gonna grab a black eyeliner and I'm just going to apply it, just a thin layer right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. And so the lashes that I'm wearing today is from the Bee lashes from the style Insta Hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that baby. So I'm gonna let that dry, and so for the meantime I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara under my eyes. And that is it, guys. That is the final look of this eyes. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my makeup base, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is how I created this look, and I really hope that you get inspired and also create this look. I am obsessed. This look is so cute. I have to admit, like, the blending, I'm still getting there. I still need to perfect my blending, but overall I'm getting there, guys. But yeah, my loves, thank you so much for clicking this video and watching this tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down there, and also hit the bell notification so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video, and you guys get to see my tutorials, my reviews, my tips. And with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.